Here's how to transfer a car title in California online. First of all, go to the official California DMV online portal and open the Title Transfers and Changes section. Here, the first thing you need to do is check the type of title transfer you want. For example, you may be transferring a vehicle through a private sale, as a gift, through inheritance, or from another state. Choose the option that matches your situation, because the required documents can be different. Next, go to the What You Need section. For a standard car title transfer, you will generally need the California Certificate of Title with the required buyer and seller signatures. You may also need a bill of sale, odometer disclosure, and SMOG certification, depending on the vehicle and type of transaction. If the vehicle has a lien, the appropriate lien holder information or release may also be required. And if the original title has been lost, stolen, or damaged, you may need the Application for Replacement or Transfer of Title Reg. 227. After that, check the DMV's title transfer checklists and forms to make sure you have all the documents required for your specific situation. You can also use the DMV's fee calculator to check how much you need to pay. If you're the seller, don't forget to submit the Notice of Transfer and Release of Liability, or NRL, within 5 days of selling the vehicle. This can be completed online, but remember that the NRL does not transfer ownership by itself. Finally, complete and sign all the required documents and follow the DMV's instructions for submitting them. Depending on your situation, the title transfer paperwork may need to be submitted at a DMV office or by mail. Once the DMV processes the transfer, the updated title is generally mailed to the new owner. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.